Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for Social Security benefits. First, understand the eligibility requirements. Most people need 40 work credits, earned by working and paying Social Security taxes, to qualify for retirement benefits. While you can start receiving benefits as early as age 62, your full retirement age, when you receive 100% of your basic benefit amount, depends on your birth year. Knowing these details helps you plan your application effectively. Next, gather all necessary documents to ensure a smooth application process. You will need your original birth certificate or a certified copy, along with your Social Security card. Also, prepare your W-2 forms or self-employment tax returns for the past 2 years. Finally, have your bank account and routing numbers ready for direct deposit, which is the safest and most convenient way to receive your benefits. Now, let's talk about submitting your application. You have 3 main options: applying online, by phone, or in person at a local Social Security office. The online application is generally the most convenient and fastest way to apply for retirement, spouses, or Medicare benefits. Regardless of your chosen method, be prepared to answer detailed questions about your work history, earnings, and other personal information accurately. After submitting your application, Social Security will review it thoroughly and notify you of their decision. This process can take a few weeks. Once approved, your benefit payments typically begin within 1 to 2 months. Remember to keep your contact information updated. Also, for other great deals and product recommendations, like those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below this video. We've got some fantastic finds waiting for you there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.